going down, REC TEC family? How you doing today? Ray Carnes here, REC TEC Grills. I got my boy,
Stevie Fredericks, Twisted Burrito, Evans, Georgia.
I'm trying to put my glove on backwards. It doesn't work.
I can't get mine on because my hand's wet.
All right. So check this out. For the Super Bowl, I don't know what year. Oh, when Atlanta lost to the Patriots in Houston. Ridiculous, by the way. Anyhow, I went to a steakhouse called Papa's. It was amazing. I saw Shaquille O'Neal there, by the way.
Yeah, saw the picture.
Yeah, I know.
That was not a very good picture.
I got a chance to take my picture with him, and my good friend David Hopkins tried to take a picture, but he was trying to tell a lame joke at the same time. And when it did the first, you know how a camera would do the first little flash to focus?
Snap.
Then he pulled down the camera to make his lame joke and said, "Hey, I don't even know if that's really him," which he's already tried the joke 4 times. It didn't work, but he wanted to try it on Shaq. Anyhow, needless to say, I got basically like a Bigfoot picture of me and Shaq together instead of the one opportunity with Shaq.
Are we going to get to the eggs? Or?
Oh, yeah, we're doing eggs. All right, so anyways, Papa's had a smoked, or there's one need to smoke. We're taking it way up.
Next level.
They did a lobster deviled egg appetizer. Out of this world. If you ever at Papa's, go ahead and order that for your appetizer. So we're going to do a king crab leg smoked deviled egg. It's going to be out of this world. We're going to smoke these eggs in these crab legs at 180 degrees. We've got some organic brown eggs here, and we're going to smoke these guys, and then we'll show you the recipe when they come off. We'll see you at the REC TEC. All right, so we just got these beautiful brown eggs off of the smoker. They went exactly 3 hours at 180 degrees. I accidentally ate one to check and see if that was the perfect time.
I didn't get any.
I ate it, that's what I said. It was the perfect time. So right now we're gonna peel these guys up, and then we're gonna show you the recipe, get them stuffed with that awesome king crab leg stuffing. So
sounds great.
We'll see you here in a minute once we get all these guys cracked. So we started off with 18 eggs. I think we had some casualties.
We had more than a few casualties.
We're not the best peelers. We ended up somewhere around a dozen, 14 maybe. So we got 28 or so in there. We're not really sure on the measurement, so we're going to guesstimate. We're going to start, this is new, we're going to start with
came out pretty good.
Some king crab leg. We're just going to go with the easy parts to start. We'll eat the other parts here in a second. Ooh, that's dumb.
Really? Is it good? Taste. Huh?
Man, that's pretty good. All right, so, I changed my mind on the crab legs. We ended up going hot and fast. We put them on 300 degrees, about 30, 35 minutes. You just want to heat it up. Instead of smoking, I thought that might be a little too long for the crab legs. So I heated those up on the REC TEC a little later when the eggs were almost done. So I'm going to get a little bit of this. You want more than that? Yeah. Let's do some more.
Yeah, let's REC TEC it up, guy.
REC TEC Lifestyle, baby! One more?
One more.
Oh, I didn't have the tendon out. It broke in the wrong spot. Make sure the tendon's not in there.
Got it.
All right, we'll put a little more.
Good.
All right, so we put about a cup of crab meat in there, and now we're going to put about half a cup, a little more, a quarter cup of finely diced red onions. We're going to put a quarter cup. We're going to start with a quarter cup of mayonnaise. That's exactly a quarter cup.
Perfect.
Now we're going to go a half a cup of mayonnaise.
We're going to go 1 cup.
1 cup, that's 1 cup. And then we're going to use some stone ground mustard. We're going to start with 2 tablespoons. 1, 2 tablespoons of stone ground mustard, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar.
Nice.
1, 2. And then we're going to put 2 tablespoons of honey rib rub, your favorite rib rub. This is our honey rib. And let's see how that looks and where we're at with that. And you can always add mayo from here. So 1, 2. And that's a nice sweet rub. So Stevie's going to mix this up. We're going to see if we like the consistency. And then from there, you can go on. I'm going to also take some of this crab, some of these end claws, and we're going to put a little piece on the end of each deviled egg when we build them. We're going to sprinkle just a little dab of our Casanova's competition rub on the top instead of paprika. So we'll show you the finished product, and we'll get to eat these guys up here in just a second. So we'll see you in a minute when we're done. It looks about the exact right consistency, by the way.
Perfect measurements.
Perfect. All right, so we got these beautiful crab stuffed smoked deviled eggs done. Instead of topping them with the crab, we got some dill on here. We thought that would go really nice. And it's also beautiful that you eat with your eyes first. We sprinkled a little of the Casanova rub on top. Listen, we're gonna dedicate this video. We lost a friend, a childhood friend yesterday. And so we're gonna dedicate this video to him. And so I'd kind of be remiss if I didn't make this toast to our good friend Billy Smith. Cheers. Check us out at RECTECGrills.com. Take care. Rest in peace, Billy.